Hi there, welcome to Dr. 2 Academy. This is Java tutorial for beginners, lesson number 3. The topic of this lesson is Java operators. What are Java operators? Java operators are symbols of operations. We use Java operators to manipulate data, variables, values. Here's the most commonly used operators: assignment and arithmetic operators: plus, minus, multiply, divide. I will show you how to use these operators in Java code later. Now let's double click eclipse.exe, open the Eclipse. Now let's create a new project for this lesson. New project. Select Java project. Next. Project name. Lesson 03. Next. Finish. Module name. com.Dr2 Academy. The reverse order of the internet domain name of Dr2Academy.com. Java tutorial. Lesson 03. Right click on lesson 03. Create a new class. Enter the project name, the same as the module name. com.Dr2 Academy.Java tutorial. Lesson 03. Class name. Code tester. Click on finish. We need to write down a main method. Public void static void main string args braces. Let's declare integer variables. Integer x, y, z. Top integer sum. Z. Declare double diff x, y. That's the difference of x, y. Plot x, y. Quotation. Let's assign value to variable x. 1000, y 100, z 10, sum x, y, z equals x plus y plus z. Here we are using the plus operators to add the value of x, y, z, and use the assignment operator to assign the value of x plus 1 plus z to the sum of x, y, z. The diff x, x minus y, that's the difference between x and y, x minus y. So here we are using the minus operator. Product y x divided by y sorry, got it wrong. X times y quotation y quotient Now let's take a look. We can put a breakpoint here. So we'll run the debugger to step through the code. Click on the debug button. Step over. Click on it. Step over. As we can see, we have the x, y, z initialized to 1110. Now we step over this statement. We add the x, y, z together and put the value into the sum x, y, z. Here we can see the sum x, y, z equals 1110. Now we minus y from x. Here it's 900. It's 1000 times 100. The product xy is 100,000. Let's divide x by y. It's 10. So 1000 divided by 100 is 10, right? So this is how we use the arithmetic operators. We can also use the plus sign as the concatenate operators for string variables. Let's see. String, last name, first name, string, my name. We assign value to last name TU, first name Jeffrey. Now we can concatenate these two strings into one string. So my name equals last name plus space plus first name. Let's print out this string. My name is my name. So we print out this string. My name is should be 2, Jeffrey. Let's put a breakpoint here and then run the debugger. Click here. Step over, step over, step over. If we don't want to step each line, we can click here. It will stop at the next breakpoint. So here we can see all these values, right? Now let's do that step over. So 2 was assigned to last name. Jeffrey was assigned to first name. Now we are going to use the plus symbol to do concatenation. As we can see, now the string my name is 2, space Jeffrey. We want to print out my name plus the prefix my name is. Step over. Now the output console has the my name is 2, space Jeffrey. So this is how we use the operators. We can use that as the arithmetic, and also we can use it for the string as concatenate operators. We also have the logical operators. Let me show you. If x equals 1000, print line. semicolon, else, braces. Print line x is not equal to 1000. Here we are using the logical comparison equal to. If else, we will have a lesson to teach how to use these conditionals, but here we can just do a quick test. Put a breakpoint here, double click on this line. Now click on the debug button. Now we don't need to step through all these lines. We want to go to this line directly, so we can double click on this breakpoint. Now we have removed this breakpoint. We have another breakpoint here. Let's double click on it to remove it. So if you want to put a breakpoint here, you can double click on it and you can toggle it off by double click on it again. Now we have only one breakpoint here. Let's run the test. Debugger. Click here. Stop right here. We know the value x here is 1000, so it should come down to this line, right? And here we are going to print out x equals 1000, right? So if x is equal to 1000, this is a logical comparison operator, then we'll go to here. If it's not, we'll go to here. We can change it here, 1001. So now we know x is 1000 and 1001 it's not 1001. It should come to this line. Let's try it. Now continue. Here, right? We can see that x here is 1000. So we compare that to the 1001. The result is false. So we'll come down to here. Okay, that's how we use operators, and in the lessons followed, we will use operators more often. Data variables, data types, and operators are the building blocks of Java programming, of any programming. So you will get used to it. We are going to use it a lot in our programming. We have learned how to use operators to do data manipulation. And the next lesson will be arrays. We'll learn how to use array and what is array. That's all for this lesson. I will see you next time. Bye.